W.H. Allison constructed Big Sand Furnace between 1853 and 1854. It took the name of the company town, Hope, that housed its workforce by the late 1860s. Smelting transformed the rugged iron ore into uniform blocks known as pig iron. Hope Furnace produced 15 tons daily at peak production, and woodcutters timbered an estimated 325 acres of forest yearly for fuel. Manufacturing centers in the eastern U.S. refined this iron into cookware, railroad tracks, and even munitions used in the Civil War. Vinton County sold the abandoned land in 1884, Lake Hope Forest Park, the predecessor to the current state park, opened in 1937.